All right, so let's go ahead and create something here with Claude that we can use for a VSL. So the very first thing we're going to need is our avatar, then our offer, then the script and speaker notes. Then afterwards, we do the design style, and then lastly, Claude, okay? Now, as far as the avatar, we are going to, make it super simple. So avatar in this specific case is going to be, let's say, funnel builders, looking to master conversion rate optimization. Then offer is 48 hour, let's say, or 3 days, 3-day workshop from clueless to conversion beast, for example, right? Then speaker notes is what we need, design style is what we need. So let's go ahead and make things happen. Let's open Claude design. And now all we need to do is we need to create a slide deck, and let's do conversion beasts. Let's use speaker notes and create. Now, what we want next is we want to make sure that we add information here. So I'm going to paste the avatar, etc., and then say I want to create a slide deck in colors black, let's say black and bright purple with a tint of bright, I don't know, pink, something, outrageous. Fonts will be bold and over exaggerated. And I want a texture of disruption with a few blurs and scratches in red. Okay, now the next thing is for the slide deck, use these frameworks, and then we're going to go to, for example, this is a NEPQ style. Nothing special here. I created this from a YouTube video that was talking about this style. So you can create a copy, and then you can go ahead and paste NEPQ, and then you paste it there, which is pasted text. And let me see here. With the exact word for word on what to say in each slide. Okay, I don't think we need anything else. There's other ways to do this, but this is just the fastest way. Let's go ahead and hit send. So while he is creating that, the other way, which is the where you have most control, what you do is you go through all the stages. So my target audience are funnel builders looking to become beasts at conversion rate optimization. Create a fast customer avatar with their goals, problems, etc. Okay, I used pro. I didn't want to use pro. Let's stop. I want to use fast, and hit send. Okay, that's what I want. So it's going to go ahead and create a very fast one. If you want something with more detail, I actually have a series of prompts inside AI Funnelpreneur that this one here is very good for all these things. So this one is very, very good. I actually got this one from a program I was in. So it's very, very good. I have another one as well, but doesn't matter for this case. So I have this. Okay, cool. And then you go ahead and copy. You just copy this custom avatar, and then you go to document, and you say this is avatar. This process takes longer, but it's more efficient. Now create a 3-day workshop that helps them go from clueless to conversion beasts. Okay, so he's going to go ahead and do that. workshop title. Of course, you do this with paying more attention to your offers and all that stuff. Okay, so we don't really need why this structure works. So we're gonna just copy here, and now we're gonna go to offer. We paste. Meanwhile, Claude is working on it. So now we have that. Next we copy this, but I'm gonna use this other one. So I'm gonna use KiSoToNkEtSu so that we have two different ones. Okay, cool. Now I need to create a VSL copy following these guidelines. Once you finalize, organize the copy into different slides. Don't create the images. I don't create the slides. I am only looking for the text script. And then the exact word for word to say as speaker notes. Okay, so this is what we want. Now offer, target audience, big idea, and then it has the slides. Speaker notes, start slow. Right, strategy notes. It has more options. Okay, this is not what I want. Okay, so he has slides. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Organize the copy into slide copy, and then speaker notes. Okay, there we go. This is more like it. This is exactly what I want. And then I copy this, I go back, and then I do the structure. So this is based on the avatar and all that stuff. So all we need is just to copy this and then go to the Claude design and paste it there. So now he's creating something. We can go ahead and create a new one on a new chat. So I think I'll just do that. By the way, this you see here, it's not the finalized version. This is just basically he's trying to refine it. Okay, so we can go ahead to Claude and do the exact same thing. So we can do conversion beasts, Kitso, use speaker notes, create. We can paste all 25 lines there. Let's go back to the versions, and we can copy this. I want to create a slide deck, make sure. Okay, I want to create a slide deck, scratch in red. Okay, paste this and then send. So he's gonna create that one. In the meantime, it actually finalized. He's finalizing, or no, plan locked in, right? So let's go ahead and analyze. There's a few things that we need to remove. We can go to edit and just remove these things or change whatever you want. So for example, this I can remove. Instead of removing, I can just add an underline. Everything else is kind of chaotic, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and do present. We can do full screen, but I'm going to go do it in this tab so that you guys can see that he presents this, and then you also have the notes right here. Okay, so I'm going to make this bigger so that you guys can see this. Okay, so hey, if you're watching this, you're a funnel builder, you've built landing pages, you've written the copy, you've run the ads, and somewhere between the click and close, the money is just leaking. You don't need another funnel template. You don't need another swipe file. You need to fix the one thing nobody is teaching funnel builders right now. And that's what I'm going to show you in the next 6 minutes. Stick with me. Okay. Here's a part that's going to sting a little bit. Your funnel isn't the problem. I've audited hundreds of funnels for coaches, agencies, course creators, and e-com brands. The funnels are fine. The copy is fine. The ads are fine. The problem is what happens inside the funnel. The questions you're asking or not just asking, that decide whether a lead actually buys. Most funnel builders are obsessed with the wrapper and ignoring the conversion. We are going to flip that today, okay? So there you go. You have a full series of slides Of course, this design you can adjust to whatever you want. And then it has the offer stack there, what it is, what you can get. Done. I didn't give him the price information, so if you want to do something very, very cool, you can also add the price information. Let me see if it does. No, it didn't add, right? No, but there's no problem. You can go ahead then and add it into the product details. In the meantime, it's creating this one, so let's go ahead and wait for it to be finalized. All right, and here it is. Present this tab. We have everything right there. You spent the last 6 months changing the perfect hook. You've tweaked button colors, move your headlines 3 pixels to the left, and run A/B tests that end in statistical insignificance. You're looking for that one magic template. It's just perfection right there. Voila. So go ahead, give it a try for your VSLs. And if you want to learn more about this and how to make this even better, join the AF Entrepreneur. It's just one-time purchase, lifetime access. We still have a few beta spots. So go ahead and I'll see you there. Cheers.